Hello everyone, it's YibanYiban here, and today we answer a new question from our Ask YibanYiban series. Today's question is, what do we mean by scents in healing with scents or aromatherapy? Although the word suggests us dealing with scents, aromatherapy is more than just, this smells good. The what we call scents used in aromatherapy are mainly aromatic oils, which can further be divided into essential and carrier oils. In our everyday life, we come across with these oils more than you could ever imagine, and to prove this is the purpose of our today's video. So come on, let's dive into our thoughts. Imagine a hot summer self-quarantine day and you're at home having endless hours of your online work and education. You are extremely bored and feel the need to cool and calm down. So, what do? You remember the kitchen. You go to the kitchen, open the fridge, and oh, there are some lemons. This is when a famous life lesson comes into your mind saying, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. So you take out the lemons, wash them of course, cut them, juice them, zesting a few to prepare the syrup. And here, let's get back to aromatherapy. While zesting a lemon, you are rupturing the oil sacs present in the peel. These oils are volatile, so they diffuse in the air and you smell them. After smelling them, you will probably feel happy, refreshed and nourished, right? What you are smelling here is nothing but lemon essential oil. Then you combine your lemon juice, syrup and water and ta-da! Your healthy, homemade icy lemonade is ready. You go back to work with much more energy than you had before, and guess what? Yeah, you continue working. In this video, we learned how to prepare lemonade and how aromatic oils are actually present in our everyday life. Hope you enjoyed watching our video, and remember, YibanYiban is a group of doctors and aromatherapy experts specialized in medical, psychological and cosmetic uses of essential oils. If you have any questions, please do DM us or send us an email, and we will answer your questions in our future Ask YibanYiban videos. That's all for now. Thank you.